Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen on VPNs. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research doc covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time with stuff that doesn't really matter or you don't care about, just to stretch this to 15 minutes, I'll straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for Nepal right now, and a few things about each one that actually matter, so you can pick one and move on with your day. And for the nerds like me, I'll leave a link in the description to grab my whole research doc free for the rest of the year. No joke. Alright, let's jump right in. Top 3 VPN services for Nepal and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best VPN for Nepal. Why? It works flawlessly with Nepal's internet restrictions and streaming services. Speed? Seriously fast. One of the fastest I tested. Low latency, no connectivity hiccups, zero packet loss, and solid download and upload speeds, which matters a lot where networks tend to be slower. Features? It has more than any other. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's there. Pricing and support? Affordable for what it offers, and support is top-notch. Logs? Nope, they don't keep any. That's a fact. Encryption? Best-in-class tech to keep your data safe and privacy intact. Overall, super easy to use, fast, no glitches, and pretty cheap for what you get. Negatives? Only a 10-device limit. Second best for Nepal is IPVanish. Why? It's straightforward, no BS, built for pure performance, which really helps in Nepal where connection reliability is key. Speed? Incredibly fast with consistent low latency. No lag spikes, no packet loss, just smooth browsing and streaming. Features? All the essentials, plus a few extras. Reliable kill switch and split tunneling, great for routing only certain apps through the VPN or the reverse. Pricing and support? One of the best value for money VPNs out there, often cheaper than most, but with top-tier performance. Support is fast and helpful. Logs? No logs. They've got an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? Top-level AES 256. Negatives? It's based in the US, a Five Eyes country, which makes privacy pros a little nervous. Also, their server network is smaller than the others. Overall, clean, fast, secure. A perfect set-it-and-forget-it VPN for anyone in Nepal wanting smooth and reliable service at a great price. Third best VPN for Nepal is Private Internet Access, PIA. Why? Massive server network and the most customization here. Ideal to bypass local blocks and access global content in Nepal. Speed? Very good. The huge server network means you'll always find a fast, uncrowded server near you. Features? Loaded. Kill switch, great ad blocker, and it's the most customizable VPN on this list. Pricing and support? Usually the cheapest premium option here. Support solid and professional. Logs? No logs. Their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Best encryption tech, plus it's customizable. Negatives? Like IPVanish, it's US-based, and the app isn't as clean as the other two. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Best if you're on a budget but still want a massive network and advanced features for Nepal. And that's it, my top 3 picks for Nepal. NordVPN, IPVanish, and PIA. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any of them. For 99% of you watching, even if you pick one, just based on the colors or logo, you'll be more than fine, because they work perfectly for internet freedom and security in Nepal. Quick recap to end. If you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for Nepal, a premium experience with the most features and fast speeds. Go with IPVanish if you want a simple, high-speed, set-it-and-forget-it VPN that gives incredible value for your money. Go with PIA if you're on a budget but still want a VPN for Nepal with a massive server network and tons of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers, so you don't have to waste your time. I've dropped exclusive discount links for all 3 in the description below, so you can grab the best price. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one and let me know in the comments which it was. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.